Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you how to draw a realistic eye with a teardrop. So with that being said, let's begin. So first of all, I'm starting with the outline with a 2B pencil. After the outlines are completed, I'm going to be starting to fill in the pupil with a 10B pencil. Now I'll start the shading with my 4B pencil. So I'm just applying a light layer of graphite on the iris portion. The top part and the corners of the iris are supposed to be darker because there are shadows. After that's done, with a tissue paper, I'm going to blend it. Then back with my 4B pencil, I'm making the top part a little bit more darker. Then with a 6B pencil, I am doing more shading. As you can see, I am also drawing some lines across the whole iris. Then again, I'm going to blend it with my tissue paper. As you can see that the corners got a little messed up, so I'm going to sharpen it with a needle eraser. Now to add some more depth to the iris, I'm using a 10B pencil. So you can see some white parts in the iris, and they are the highlights, and they are very important to make the drawing look more realistic. Now with a needle eraser, I'm making some more highlights at the bottom. Now with a tissue paper, I'm going to blend it. And here I'm not smudging it too much, just a little bit. Now we're going to shade the canthus with a 4B pencil. Later on, we are going to move on to a 6B pencil for making in more depth. I'm also leaving some space for the highlights. Now I'm shading the eye with a 4B pencil. Now with a 6B pencil, I am darkening up and making in the shadows in the canthus. Now I am moving on to the eye crease. We are going to move on layer by layer, so first I am starting with a 2B pencil. Now with a 4B pencil, I am making some more shadows. At the bottom there is a teardrop, and I am not shading it right now. I will shade it afterwards with a 2B pencil, and later on I am going to make in the shadows and the highlights. And now I am blending everything with a tissue paper. You can see and understand that I am going layer by layer. First I used a 2B pencil, and now I am using a 6B pencil. And later on, if needed, I am also going to be using some more darker shades. So now I am using a 2B pencil to make the teardrop. So now I am using a 6B pencil to make the eyelashes. And when you're making the eyelashes, make sure that your eyelashes are curved. They are not supposed to be straight. So when I've completed the eyelashes with a 6B pencil, I'm going to move on to a 10B pencil to make it more darker. After the eyelashes are done, I'm using a 4B pencil to make some part of the skin. So as you can see, now I'm using a white gel pen to making the highlights. And over here I'm making in the reflection of the eyelashes with a 10B pencil. So now I'm going to make the shadows in the teardrop more darker with a 4B pencil. And I'm also making the shadow in the eye crease more darker. After all that shading is done, I'm going to use a tissue paper to blend everything. And as you can see, I'm making the veins with a 2B pencil. And that's it for today. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye.